Navigating the shift, the role of the Ascension Lightworkers. The Earth is approaching a very significant and profound transformation known as the Transitional Division, marking the Great Shift in 2024. Individuals who have awakened are about to experience profound revelations during this energetic transition in the new Earth. As the cycle nears its completion, a division in multidimensional energy is occurring that affects the earthly plane. Those whose heart chakra has evolved into the higher heart center are entering into a light of higher dimensions, playing a vital role in the Earth's transformation process. The higher heart becomes the focal point for new alignments and connections, allowing individuals to participate in the metamorphic process. Graduating to the higher heart is essential for entering into the higher dimensional light plane. This explains the physical sensations, such as pulsations and heartbeats, that are being experienced during the ascension process. The awakening process. The awakening process has been gradual yet profound, with many experiencing an expansion of consciousness that transcends the limitations of our physical reality. This awakening is characterized by a deeper connection to the universal energy and a heightened sense of intuition. The transitional division refers to a multi-dimensional energetic split, segregating frequencies that resonate with the old Earth from those aligning with the new Earth's vibratory patterns. The higher heart chakra. Central to navigating this shift is the evolution of the heart chakra into the higher heart, a transformation that transcends the physical and enters the realm of the spiritual. The higher heart chakra serves as a bridge between the human experience and the divine, enabling a direct connection to the universal consciousness. It is from this center that lightworkers can radiate unconditional love and healing, impacting the collective energy field and facilitating the Earth's transition. Physical manifestations of ascension. The process of ascension, while largely spiritual and energetic, manifests physically in various ways. Many report experiencing pulsations, heightened heartbeats, or even physical discomfort as their bodies adjust to the higher frequencies. These symptoms are indicative of the energetic clearing and realignment taking place, as the physical vessel is prepared to hold and channel higher dimensional energies. The role of intuition. In these transformative times, intuition becomes a key navigational tool. The Ascension Lightworkers are called to trust their inner guidance more than ever, as traditional ways of knowing and being are challenged and redefined. Intuition, the direct perception of truth, unmediated by the rational mind, becomes a beacon, guiding individuals toward their highest path of service and alignment with the new Earth. The collective journey. The journey towards the new Earth is not undertaken alone. It is a collective endeavor that requires each individual to contribute their unique frequency and talents to the larger tapestry of transformation. The Ascension Lightworkers, by embodying the principles of the higher heart and living in alignment with their soul's purpose, serve as catalysts for change, inspiring others to awaken and embrace their divine nature. As we approach the transitional division, the Ascension Lightworkers are reminded of their critical role in the Earth's evolutionary journey. By anchoring the light, embodying unconditional love, and trusting in the divine orchestration of the universe, they pave the way for a new era of peace, harmony, and spiritual enlightenment on Earth. Trust in your intuition now.